Hi, this video will introduce filter installation. If you don't know which filter may fit to your machine, please check Enagic Replacement Filter's video. First of all, I'll show where is the filter and how to remove it. For K8, slide up filter cover on left to remove it, and then turn plastic knob from right to left. Take filter holder and pull off filter. Levelock R and the other machines are very similar except the shape of the filter cover. You need to push top center of the cover and pull towards you. Filter cover is on left side of machine for SD501 and other models. Push left center of the cover and pull towards you to remove it. And then turn knob of the filter holder from the center to left. Make sure you remove it completely from the filter. After remove filter, check filter tray and bottom of the filter. The bottom of the filter has two sizes of O-rings installed to each hole. If you see these O-rings in filter tray holes, please make sure to put back to filter. Large O-ring is for center hole. As you install filter to machine, push in the filter to tray. Put holder back and turn knob from left to center. When you turn holder, it's better to hold down top of the filter and push away from you a little bit. After you secure filter with holder, make sure there's no big gap between holder and filter tray. If K8 filter holder does not turn easily, clean the rail where filter holders run and then try again. Before installing filter cover, run water through the machine for a couple of minutes to make sure there's no water leakage.